You need me to remind you I have a teenage daughter too.
Yeah.
And you better leave now because any moment in time, my mom will be on her way back. My phone.
Oh, yes, sorry.
I hate you.
Sorry. You're supposed to be in school. Baby.
Dad, I thought you were going to bring other men into this house.
Yes, I know. It's just that I won a project and I just needed to celebrate.
I'm not saying you can't celebrate that. I'm telling you that you shouldn't bring it into this house.
Yes, ma. I'm sorry. Come here. So, are you not supposed to be in school?
We closed early from school today.
Oh, closed early. Okay. All right. Very irresponsible father. Yeah, that's me. Why is this idiot still calling me now? So sorry I came late. Traffic was crazy out there.
I thought as much, though.
Were you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay.
All right. You called me like you wanted to really,
Yes, it was. Here is the deed that day.
I know how much this means to you, and I'm going to protect this with my life. Okay?
Okay.
You know I love you.
I do.
Huh? So how are you? How was your day?
Well, cool, fine.
They melt safe.
Huh?
I miss you so much. I can't wait for us to spend time outside the shores of this country so that I can show you how much I miss you.
I don't know how you just managed to know exactly what I need right now. The weather's been terrible.
I know.
So humid. I just feel like basking in ambience of sweet environments, amazing romantic environment, just you and I.
I'll make that happen.
Oh, thank you.
I have something for you.
What's that?
In here, this bag contains most of my jewelries worth more than 20 million naira. I want you to keep it just to show you how much I love you.
Are you sure you want me to?
This is small compared to what I'll do for you.
Wow. Baby.
You're worth more than that. Keep it.
Thank you. I love you.
Love you too.
I love you so much. You know I can die for you, right?
I'm dying for you already.
Little sweet pumpkin pie. You know what? Let's finish drinking and get to the hotel room. So
Right.
seriously, Emeka. As a friend who wants the best for you, it's my duty to tell you the truth. Eh? What you're doing is not right. You're playing with their emotions and extorting money from them. But as guy man, oh boy.
That's just normal fine boy doings now. You don't blame me now.
but really, see, you need to help me. You need to give me updates. What is your connect? Show me road now, my guy.
Yeah, I know, but the problem now be say you need to find first. Can't get height. You understand? The only problem now be say this your baby will make you think say you fine, but normally you be like egg. You get it?
Oh, okay. Now, till I find like woman, Abi.
You don't understand now. You be like egg, like egg when they boil well. You get?
Baba, give me update.
understand?
Which one be fine? You say if you find like that.
Because you go need to buy you those high shoes, make you get small heights.
Okay, the thing don't enter whining. You don't do. I don't want to update again.
Then we'll buy you better perfume. You know, say you use cheap one. you know, they really give that come and get me feeling. I was the one you.
No one. You will.
My guy.
I'm coming. Hey, Dede. Welcome, sir.
Keep your greetings to yourself. Come and sit down.
Dede, welcome.
Jacinta, you have chosen to defy the tradition and customs of our people.
I'm sorry, sir, but I did not defy anything. Even though I've never met this man all my life, you brought him here, saying he's my father's only son. I didn't say anything, I didn't argue. I handed over all my father's property to you. But the only thing I refuse giving you is my mother's school, because she built it from scratch and I refuse to give it to anybody.
Jacinta, you must be mad.
You must be stupid.
You must be very mad for saying that.
Wait. Jacinta, yes, your mother, who is my late brother's wife, was legally married to him. I can tell you, if not 100%, at least 70% of the funding of that school was done by my late brother, and that school belongs to him. You are a girl. You will certainly get married and answer another person's name. But Bobby here is an Okoye, and he will always remain an Okoye. So hand him over that document.
Never. Nothing you say will make me hand over my mom's documents.
Uncle Dede, happen can call this girl on.
Just relax. Jacinta.
Sir?
Bobby here is your brother. It is better you provide him all the properties that rightly belongs to him. I can assure you that he will provide you everything you need and still take care of your child. But since you're being stubborn, all I can tell you is that we'll get those documents by all means. Bobby, let's go.
Come on, collect the land. Nonsense.
Hey, Angel. Why are you playing with your food? You barely touched anything.
Why would I eat when I'm worried about you?
Why are you worried about me?
I think I'm going to get high blood pressure, Daddy.
You're too young to have high, talk more of blood pressure, okay? Come on, eat your food. Your school bus will soon be here.
Have a great day, Daddy.
I don't want to eat your food. Right. Hello, mommy. Yeah, I can come over. Yeah, I'll be there in a bit. I just want you to miss me a little bit. All right, bye. No, wow.
You're not touching that school, Bobby. That school was built on a joint effort between my mom and dad.
Jacinta, where are those documents? I won't ask you again.
Why? Why are you asking? Why are you keen on getting that school, huh? What do you need the school for, huh? You've taken over the Okoli's enterprise, and now you're keen on getting the school. For what? Listen, I would rather die than let you sell that school. You won't sell that school. That school is for my mom and my dad.
Mommy, I'm getting late.
Come here. What?
I'm getting late.
Oh, okay. Yeah. We're going soon. Okay?
Okay.
If I have to force you, I will.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Are you my khaki?
Mommy, can you drive fast? I'm getting late.
Can you just stop it?
Mommy, time!
Can you stop it? Wait. We're still on time. Wait, I don't know what's wrong with the car.
Mommy, I'm sorry.
Just calm. Oh my God. Okay. Just need to check what's wrong with this currency. I don't know.
Mom, I'm late.
Can you just calm down? Can't you see? I don't know what to do. Like, I don't. You're supposed to open it from. What to do?
Hey,
Mom, I'm late.
Can you just stop it? Come in.
is everything okay?
No, I don't know what happened. It just stopped.
Mom, where's us?
Can you
Can you be fast?
Shut up! I'm coming. It just stopped. I don't know. It just stopped moving. I tried to open
Do
it.
you have fuel? Okay.
Yes. I filled my tank yesterday.
Sorry, let me talk to her, okay? Hello, Angel, how are you? Hi. So, mommy's car broke down. Okay. She's trying to get the car fixed so she can drop you in school. Okay. But you're stressing her.
Okay.
And if you stress mommy, she won't be able to get the car fixed and drop you in school. So would you be a good girl and support mommy instead?
Okay.
All right.
Mommy, I'm sorry.
She's sorry.
Right.
Thank you. Could you help me with this?
Yes, sure.
I'll just check it. I'm not sure it's nothing serious.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. This doesn't seem to be overheating. The battery head doesn't seem to be tight enough. 1 second. Need to get something. I'll use my hands. Do you want to try starting the car?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
it's not starting, you know.
Try it now.
Thank God.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Perfect. So
Yeah.
it's just the battery head.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank
So
you.
when you're done dropping your daughter, probably go to see the mechanic so they can tighten the battery head. It was a little bit loose.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. My name is Jacinta J. Okoye. Nice to meet you.
Wait, Okoye. Are you Jackson Okoye's daughter? That's Jacinta Okoye.
Yes,
They Jacinta Okoye.
that's me.
It's nice to meet you. Small
Pleasure is
world.
mine.
Nice to really meet you.
To meet you.
I know your father, not in person, but I've heard a lot about him. Learned about his good works and everything. But I learned he passed on. May his soul rest in peace.
Yeah.
Heard over the news.
Amen. That's okay. That's fine. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank
yeah,
you.
thanks.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome. Okay, we should keep in touch, if it's okay.
Sure. That's
Yeah.
fine.
So sorry. Let me not take your time so you can go drop off.
All right. Thank you.
Have a nice day. Just in case it goes off again, make sure you just open and put it back, okay?
I pray it
All right, bye.
Daddy.
Oh, you shut up.
Hello, Angel.
You didn't come back home last night, Daddy.
Yeah, I just had some errands to run, you know.
I'm 14 years old, Daddy.
I know, I'm your father.
Then I have I'm parenting you, which is very difficult.
Huh?
I came back from school yesterday to an empty house. I waited for you until 2 a.m. this morning. You didn't even call or text. I didn't even know the number to reach you on.
Yeah, you know, like I just told you I was running errands, you know, and work became a little bit too much for me. It was very busy. I had to turn off my phones, you know.
The work had a red lipstick on and smells of alcohol. I'm no more a baby daddy.
Okay, sorry. Okay. She's 14 years old and smart. Hey, Jacinta. Oh, sorry, my manners. I didn't introduce myself. I'm the guy that helped you fix your car earlier on. Yes, Roland. Don't mention. But I mean, if you really want to thank me, how about we start with me taking you out for a drink or something? Oh, you work from home. Perfect. I mean, I can get drinks and come over to your place, and probably I could make some lunch, and we can just have it at yours. Oh, yes, I do. I try. Okay, fine. Bye bye. It's reached now. What is it?
You sold my property?
Come, see, stop talking to me like that too. Now me, they follow talk. What's wrong with you now?
Don't tell me to calm down, Ade. You promised to protect the deed. I gave you because I trusted you. Only for my staff to be driven away by some people claiming to be the new owners.
Ah, that's so sad, though. I hope they didn't hurt your staff.
God will punish you, Ade. How were you even able to convince me to collect the deed from my husband? Now my husband is asking me why I sold his gifts to you. God will punish you.
Come, you adulterous woman, shut up your mouth there. What's wrong with you? Huh? Did I beg you? Wait. Did I force you to give me the deeds? You give it to me at your own free will. Why are you now calling me? You have a home to take care of. Take care of your family, your husband and your kids now. Don't call my phone again. What's wrong with you? Come, you're blocked up. What kind of animal is this one? You're a married woman, you want to be sleeping with fine boy. Focus on your home. Jacinta.
Yeah? I'm coming. Hey.
How are you?
I'm good. Come in.
Hi. Nice place you got here.
Thank you. Please come.
What of the little one?
She went to my aunt's, but I'll be picking her up in 2 hours.
Oh, means I have 2 hours to show you how much I like you and probably get you to be my girlfriend.
So it's either you're daring or you've done your research to know I'm a single mother.
Well, neither of the above. I'm just trying my luck, and when you invited me over, I just took a cue from it.
Okay. So tell me, what do you do?
Well, Roland is a real estate broker, buy and sell properties.
No way. Wait. I know you. Roland Wachuku. Oh my God. You know, my dad used to tell me about you.
Okay.
But why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you say anything? Okay. Let me officially apologize for standing you up 2 years back. Because I remembered my dad set up a date for both of us and I didn't show up.
I remember too, very small world.
Yeah.
The way things are connected.
Yeah,
Where are the documents? Where are the documents?
Excuse you?
Who be this one? Who is this?
Who be this one? I don't understand. Who is this? Who are you?
So just leave my house, okay? Just go.
I should leave your house.
Yes.
Oh, you heard her leave.
They swell up. Rather leave. No problem, I will come back.
Sorry, are you okay? But who is he?
My stepbrother I never knew existed. He just showed up from nowhere after the death of my father. And
He looks like a terrorist.
yeah, I guess.
Oh, it's okay. I mean, as far as you.
Yeah.
It's okay. Are you okay? Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Thanks for stepping up for me.
Yeah, man. It's a good day. Very good day. Dun 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 dun. What are you watching?
Dad, why are you this happy?
Well, good things are happening. So, I met a prospect that is about to turn into a client. And the way things are going, this deal might just be done faster than I thought it would.
Oh, great, I'm happy for you.
Thank you, I'm happy too. MM came today, right? Did she make some food?
Well, there's food.
What did she make?
Jollof rice.
Oh, jollof rice. No swallow. Soup?
No.
Chicken?
No.
Turkey?
No.
Fish?
No.
What did she now make?
Jollof rice and beef.
Beef?
Yes.
I'm about to have a beef with her. Okay. I'll make do with that. Huh? Give me some food.
Okay.
And can I have water too? Cold water?
Okay.
Ay, 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 ay. When she said her father's name, man, I almost pat my drink out of my mouth. Her father is late Chief Chike Jackson Okoye.
Guy.
The billionaire.
Guy. This one a big fish, oh.
A big fish. But guess what? This is going to be the easiest project ever. Smooth like a smooth lake. This is going too smooth.
But you mentioned that she's a single mom. Are you sure you want to do this to her?
No, I'm just a single mom. A very rich single mom. Money day. Plus, she is the daughter of a late billionaire, which means that she has inherited billions.
So she's a billionaire.
She's a billionaire. Damn. She's a billionaire. This one go too sweetly.
This one a big catch.
But I'm not going to run her dry completely. Somebody's doing that already. Me, I'll just make her fall in love with me, then collect my own share for giving her love. Because you know these people, they need love. They need love.
So you just be in the corner, taking your share.
Yeah, while giving her love. So I will give her small love.
The love is very
then
important.
I will collect a payment for my love I'm giving her. It's that simple. Mama, this one goes sweet me. So you're talking to a future billionaire.
Okay. So by extension now,
Even my guy now, I'll buy you a drink.
I shan't be drink now. I could be millionaire.
Mama,
this
to
is
the project.
the biggest project ever.
Biggest project ever. Oh boy, this one goes soft. And the girl fine, so I no go bad last. How are you, Sabdo?
I'm fine. Are you going to marry my mommy? Are you going to be my daddy?
Yes, I love your mommy.
Great. Why?
Okay. Well, because mom is beautiful, she's smart. She's a great mom to you.
So you want to leave us?
Okay, Somto, that's
Yes,
enough.
Mom.
I think it's time for you to leave Uncle, okay? Go
Oh.
upstairs.
The answer is I won't. No, I won't leave you, okay?
Great.
She always puts a smile on my face.
Yeah. You know, her dad actually left when she was 6 years old. It was a difficult period, especially for her.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did you get a divorce?
No. We were never married. You know, we agreed on staying unmarried forever, but I don't know what happened. He just left and I trusted him, but he left. You know, when my father died, Bobby showed up with some pictures and documents that shows that he's the biological son to my dad, accompanied by my father's brothers to take over my father's company. Yet, he wasn't satisfied. He wants to take over the school my mom built. He just wants to take everything from me, but I will not let him take away that school. That school was built by my mom with my dad. They built it together. I will not let him take it. Never.
But isn't there supposed to be a will that protects you or something?
Yes. Oh, no one knows where the lawyer is. No lawyer, no testament.
That's sad.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that.
It's fine.
Uncle Dede, see, I don't understand what is going on. These things are rightfully mine by birth, as the first and only son.
Bobby, calm down.
Why is he looking as if I'm begging for this?
I've spoken to the woman who forced those documents out from her.
Oh, I have a buyer already. It's just for us to finalize this deal. See, let me tell you, Jacinta must give me that papers today. The documents. She must give me the documents today. Where are the documents?
Bobby.
Where are the documents? I will take her with me if you don't provide them.
No. I'll
Go and get it.
I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. Please, just don't harm my daughter. I beg you. Please, I beg you. Please, I'm coming.
Rubbish. And you? Hey! Come on, speak.
Bobby, please. Take my documents here. Thank you.
Mommy.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Smart choice. You're very lucky.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm so sorry, baby. Did he hurt you? Did he hurt you? Did he press you? Are you okay?
What's going on here?
Hey, get out. Get out!
You!
Get out!
You think it's by all this gragra you're doing?
Get out, man! Sorry.
It's huh? Baby, just go upstairs, okay? Thank God.
Are you okay?
No, I'm scared. He won't stop harassing us. Please, can Something and I come stay over at your place?
What about your auntie?
She's currently out of town. But we'll come back as soon as she's back. Please, can we just come stay with you for the meantime, please?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, thank you.
This one Akasala. This doesn't look good. You've never brought a client home. So what's the plan now?
I swear, this Bobby guy is just trying to mess up my life.
So, what are you going to do? Do you want to bring her in?
I mean, do I have a choice? I don't have a choice, man.
Man, this doesn't look good. Looks like problem.
Go jump on. Okay, come on in. Yeah, you got that. Yeah, do this. Sorry. Susan? Meet Somto and his mother, Jacinta, my girlfriend.
Hi, Suzanne.
Yeah. Actually, they'll be staying with us for a while.
Are you kidding me?
Sorry I didn't tell you about that. We'll talk about it later.
Are you kidding me?
We'll talk about it later. Say hi to Susan.
Hi, I'm here too.
Let me show you to my room.
Yeah, her bag is there. Sorry, I mean, her attitude. I should have told her that I was bringing. Okay, you know what? Let me show you to the room upstairs, okay? Come. After you. So you are welcome to my room. Okay, why are you still in a mood? Are you still upset because you found out I have a daughter?
No.
So what is it?
The fact that you didn't tell me about it.
I mean, what's the big deal? I was still going to tell you.
What's the big deal? Something so significant in your life. You call that a big deal? What's the big deal? What are you not telling me? What are you hiding from me? What? Listen, I'm big on trust. My heart has been broken so many times. I don't think I can handle another heartbreak. I love you.
I love you too.
Are you okay? Alright, so restroom is over there, wardrobe is over there, and the bed.
I can see that one.
Yeah, it's right here. Get comfortable.
Yeah.
How is your project coming along?
Oh yeah, fantastic. It's going very well. Very, very well.
Has the client paid?
You closed the deal? Wow. Congratulations, darling.
Thank you. I did. To the glory of God. Yeah.
Uncle Roland, what do you do?
You know what? Wait, let's just focus on our food. It's dinner time, and we need to apply table manners. Okay, so answer all your questions when we are done eating.
Okay.
Come on, eat your food. Okay, what is it?
I don't understand. Daddy Roland is not your name. Who is Roland?
Roland is, you know, One of my names. It's just that you've not heard of it before.
I'm not a baby dad. I've told you this before. What exactly is going on?
Well, it's just a misunderstanding. But it's something that I can fix, and I will fix it. But for now, please just pretend that my name is Roland. You don't say anything about it. Okay?
Okay.
I'll fix it. So are we good now?
Yes.
Can I go?
Yes.
All right. Let me just go and meet Auntie Jacinta and Susan.
Okay.
So it's Roland for now.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Hello, Uncle Daddy. I don't know what's going on. For over 3 weeks, I've been on and off here. I couldn't find them. I don't know where they've gone to. Like I told you this thing. I said I got the deed. I almost left the deed yesterday. If not for that bastard. Yes, I think she could be with him. No. I didn't take a picture of him. But I think I took a picture of his plate number. Okay.
Kids, hurry up. Your school bus is here. Okay. Okay, there you go. Okay. Good girl.
All right, guys.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
Take it easy at school, okay? Be safe.
All
right.
Bye, kids.
Give me all the gist when you come back.
Be good, yeah?
Bye.
Bye. Love you. Yay.
Yay.
Hello.
Hi.
Guess what?
What?
We have the whole house to ourselves.
So you're happy that they've gone?
Such
a bad mommy.
You know what that means.
I think we should take it upstairs.
Yes, baby. Give it to me. Take me to heaven. Let's go.
Come here.
Okay.
I don't want any surprises. They might forget something and they'll come. Let me test my Superman skills. Are you ready for daddy?
I'm coming. Hi.
Hi. You're Jacinta, right?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Nice to meet you. I'm Charles,
Oh.
Roland's friend.
Charles, how you doing?
Very well.
Hey, Charles. How far now?
Good.
How you doing?
Bro, you didn't tell me she was this beautiful.
Of course I did. She's a little more pretty than I told you she was.
Jacinta, I've heard a lot about you.
I hope he told you nice stuff about me.
Only nice things can be said about you.
Nice to finally meet you. And if you need anything, just let me know. I'll be upstairs, okay? Okay?
Okay, it's just a little bit out of place.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah.
Right.
All right, baby. You don't see him?
I see him.
But you didn't tell me you're coming now. How far?
Well, you've not been picking your calls. As a good friend, I say, I can't check whether he's still there
Wait,
alive.
no, guys, I go talk.
Go, let's. Baba, like this, you don't love Rose girl.
Which I be Ross girl, okay? Maybe Ross girl. Ah, man. I won't lie, I'm so happy. You know, she knows how to do everything. Clean, cook, take care of the house.
Wow. Wow.
And she loves Susan like her own daughter.
This one you're sounding like a foolish man. The brother who don't lose one soldier, one man down.
When I lose now, but it's there for brotherhood again. And good thing, I'm beginning to feel like I have 2 daughters now.
Wait, you're serious?
No, I dey play. Oh man. Look, I've not been scared of losing anybody before. But this one, like, I'm scared of losing her and I'll do everything and anything to keep her.
Game la bosh.
Game la bosh.
Wow.
What's check her now? She no fine.
Oh yeah,
She's set now. You don't see her before.
She fine. She complete.
Yes, can't get good behavior. What's in the worry you? Huh? Are you not tired? Are you not tired? What is wrong with you, man? Are you crazy?
Emeka Wigwe. It shocked you, Abi? Over the months, you've gone by so many names. I've been Emeka, Tega. I've been Olamide. It never shocked you now. There's even a post about you floating on the internet. Did they drag your ass like Were? You never still wants to be something. No problem. Nice one.
You're just a son of a bitch.
Let me tell you something. Get me that deed. Convince her to get me the deed, or you get it yourself, or else. If I start, you no go like her. No talk, I no tell you.
This guy's the devil himself, man.
Mess up, man. Who the hell is that guy?
I'm in a fix, man. I don't know what to do. I don't want to lose her, man. I can't lose her.
Maybe you just have to tell her the truth.
How? Where I want to start from? Tell her what exactly?
Well, but you need to understand that secrets don't last forever. You have to do something.
This is serious.
She must not find out herself.
You guys, that's what you're used to.
Yeah.
Over the months, you've gone by so many names. I've been Emeka, Tega. I've been Olamide. It never shock you now. There's even a post about you floating on the internet. Did they drag your ass like Were? You never still wants to be something. No problem. Nice one. Get me that deed. Convince her to get me the deed, or you get it yourself.
Come on, Janice.
Okay, come.
Money ginger.
Say I know they waste time.
It's money ginger.
Mom is calling me. Sorry. Hey, babe. Just check the drawer in my room. It should be somewhere there.
Mommy, you're disturbing our song.
Okay, I gotta go. It should be there, somewhere in the drawer, okay? All right, bye. Okay, where are we? Huh?
I don't know.
Okay, you lead it. Start.
Oh, no.
You can start. Come on. No song.
Dirty.
Uh-huh.
Feeling good tonight. Stay here one more time. Remind me what it's like.
Who sang this one? Huh? No. You guys are... Who sang this one? Back to you. I don't know that one. Hello. How did you get my number?
Hey, baby. You dropped them off already?
Yeah, I dropped them off already.
Okay. Let me get you your food, yeah?
Thank you. Thanks.
Let me get you drop this. That reminds me, the Akimumis, are they selling their villa in Lekki Phase 1? So,
What? Why did you ask?
babe, I know you're a real estate broker. And I saw a property deeds with the accused woman's name on it and address.
Oh, look, babe, there's something I want to talk to you about.
Okay. Excuse me, I need to take this call. Hello? Yeah. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I needed to answer the call. Yeah, you were saying?
Nothing.
Why nothing?
I mean, I was just trying to tell you that I am allergic to peanuts.
But there's no peanuts inside there.
Yeah, I know. It's just in case you're trying to make something with peanuts. Like,
Oh, okay. I was actually planning on surprising you with granite soup.
I'll just faint.
So, what's going on? Blood. Suzanne.
Don't come in!
Suzanne, I have to come in, okay? Are you okay?
Is she okay?
Oh, yeah, she's going to be fine. Just excuse us, okay? Yeah. Okay. You know what? You have to come out now. We're all gone, okay? I'll be right back. Okay? Don't be scared, okay? I'm coming. Suzanne?
Yes.
Okay, take. Just have to wear it with your panties. Okay, Suzanne. So it's totally normal, okay? You don't have to be scared. It's called a monthly cycle. This means you would always get a visitor every month. But don't worry. I'm here to teach you how to go through with it, okay? You take this drug or any other painkiller when you have pains, okay? And if it's something you can bear, you leave the drugs, okay? And the sanitary pad, whenever it gets full, you change, okay? I'm here for you, okay?
I don't know what I could have done without you. If it's just me and Daddy.
Don't worry. Roland would have been able to manage it.
Roland?
Yes, your dad.
Oh, right. Let me go and check Daddy and something. I'll be right back.
Okay, that's fine.
I can't keep lying to her, Daddy. You need to tell Auntie Jacinta you're ruining.
I know, but I don't know how to go about that.
Simple. My name is Emeka. Emeka, not Roland.
You understand, it's not that easy.
I hope you don't regret all of this, Daddy. As soon as she's back from dropping Sobto off, tell her.
I heard you. I've heard you.
And what is the meaning of this?
Calm down, relax. I'm not here to touch you, okay? But be rest assured that I'm going to take that deed by all means. You're with Emeka Roland, right? Yeah, you're surprised. I know where he lives. And by the time I'm through with you, you will bring that deed to my house. You will bring all the documents to me. Don't say I didn't warn you.
What is it? What is the problem?
I saw Bobby.
What did he say? What did he do?
He said he knows where we live.
Okay.
That's it. I'm done. I'm done running away from him. I think it's time I take action. Like, I need to file a lawsuit or something. I can't take it anymore. I'm done running. I'm done.
Hey. It's okay. He will not come here. And from today, I will take charge of dropping the kids off at school and picking them up. Okay? I'll make sure he doesn't come close to you. Are you okay?
Just give me a minute.
What is it?
Yeah.
Why are you giving this to me?
Because I don't trust myself. I don't want Bobby to take this from me. This is the only thing I have left of my mom. I don't want anything to happen to it. Please. I want you to keep it safe for me.
Yeah.
So you're going to tell her?
I can't.
So what are you going to YouTube Bobby?
How? It's not even an option, man. She gave me her deeds yesterday and told me to keep them safe for her. Like, she literally trusts me. I'm stuck.
Bro, nothing good ever comes out of blackmail. The best option is to come out clean. Just tell her.
It's not that easy, man. It's not that easy.
I know, right?
You need to stop crying,
Babe,
Yep.
I'm ready to go.
And you look smashing. Look at you.
Thank you, baby.
With the buttons and all. Looks really nice. Just want to unbutton you.
Oh, please don't stop. Stop it. No. I'm not going to let you tempt me, Zaddy. Yeah.
Zaddy. I like the sound of that. Anyways, I hope you're not going to be out for too long.
I will try not to.
There you go.
Yeah. Don't miss me too much, okay?
I'll try not to. I'll make sure you come back on time, okay?
I'll try not to.
And be safe.
Okay, baby. Thank you.
Hurry up and come back.
All right, love.
Bye.
Bye.
Babe, did you forget something?
Maples. Big boy.
What are you doing here?
So this is where I've been chilling. Probably sponsored by those sugar mommies.
Look, I don't have the document now. Just give me some time. And I don't wear shoes in my room.
Time is what I don't have, Emeka. Provide those documents or things will really go bad. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Let me get this right. You come my house, come they threaten me.
Oh my goodness. Oh, not again. Ugh. Roland, pick your call now. Pick your call. Pick your call, pick your call. I'm supposed to turn. Are you blind?
Huh? You came to my house to come and threaten me, guy.
Hey! Oh my goodness.
Bastard.
Emeka, I'll come back for you. Make sure you get those documents. And you, provide those documents. You, I'll come back for your documents. You come up, no problem.
I'm so sorry. I led him to this place.
It's okay.
Sorry.
What brought you back?
I forgot my drive. And I was calling you, but you were not picking.
Okay.
Let me just go upstairs and get it.
Baby, don't play with me, okay? I will kill you, you bastard. You're just a bastard. Sorry, bastard.
Who was that? What's happening? You mean your name is also Emeka?
Just that is something I've been meaning to tell you.
Okay. What is it?
Before I met you, I wasn't living the best life.
What do you mean by you weren't living the best life?
I love you. I love you so much. And what I'm about to say is a risk, but it's one that I'm willing to take.
You're scaring me.
My name is... My name is not Roland Wachiko. Say something.
I already figured we weren't Roland Wachuku. Come on. I've been with you in this house for over 3 months. And I've seen Susan's book. It's Wigwe, not Wachuku.
I'm sorry. Look, when you said that Roland Wachuku was friends to your father, I just thought it was a means of getting closer to you, and that's why. My name is Emeka Mwigwe.
Well, I figured since my name is Akuna and I don't like to go by my native name, so I understand that maybe he doesn't also like going by his native name. So
Your native name is?
Akuna, my dad.
And Emeka.
I thought you were going to say something else.
Nice meeting you. I'll manage it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry. I like your hair like that.
You're right.
So, time to sleep?
You want to sleep?
If you feel like using me, I'm available for using.
Auntie Jacinta,
Yes, sweetheart.
I'm sorry I didn't say anything when you called my daddy Roland.
Oh, baby girl. It's not in your place to do anything about it. Okay? Don't worry. Daddy and we've talked about it.
So you're not mad at me?
Mad at you? For what? No, I'm not mad at you. You know what? Why not go upstairs? Call everyone down. Tell them food is ready.
Okay.
Hurry up.
So Daddy Roland isn't Daddy Roland and it's Daddy Emeka.
Well, just call me Daddy.
But I like Daddy Roland more.
Okay. Daddy. Okay. Fine.
Hi, Auntie. Are you back? Oh, that's so nice. Welcome back. Oh, I miss you. I miss you so much. Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. Nothing much. Yeah, we just decided to leave for a bit and yeah, just that Bobby has started disturbing us again. Okay. All right. That's fine. I'm glad you're back. Welcome back. I can't wait to see you. All right. We'll be back soon, okay? Bye. Hmm. Babe,
Huh?
I'll be going home tomorrow.
Okay. But for how long?
I don't know. But you know I can't stay with you forever.
You said you can't.
Babe, you know I'm an Igbo girl, and you know what that means.
It means that I like you and you like me. And you can stay for as long as you want.
No! But seriously, I need to go home. My aunt is back. She's currently at my place.
But you will take too much time there.
I want you to miss me.
But I miss you already. I miss you every single time.
Yeah, right. I miss you too. I don't want to. But I have to.
This is running. Let me take care of that last thing.
Take me. Hey, Auntie! Oh, my darling! Oh, I missed you. Look how big you've grown.
Thank you. I missed you too. I missed you too. Oh, look how big you've grown.
Look at you. You look rejuvenated.
Right.
Give it to Dad.
I miss you
Thank
so
you.
much. Well, we can all die because of a heartbreak.
I know, right?
I feel alive and I feel happy.
That's the spirit. So sit down. Oh, sorry,
thank
sorry,
you,
sorry,
my
sorry.
earring.
Yeah. So sit down. Tell me everything about the trip.
Come, baby. Come.
How was it?
It was amazing. I just needed it.
Yes.
I needed to be reminded that I have life.
Yes.
And I have it in abundance.
That's the spirit. I'm glad you had fun.
Thank you.
Look
You
at
look
you.
good.
Oh,
How are you, Mama? I missed you.
oh, I miss you.
Babe, I can't wait to see you tomorrow and see your auntie to declare my intentions to her.
Yes, baby. Yeah, I told her about you and she can't wait to meet you. Yes, I told her how you have been protecting me from Bobby and she's super excited. Yeah, but at first she was not really cool with the whole thingy because, you know, before she left for the country, her heart was broken by one guy she was dating. But don't worry, I'm sure she'll be so happy to finally meet you.
Babe, this bed is so lonely without you. It's empty.
I know, right? And now you're making me wonder what would have happened if I was on the bed with you.
Don't start giving me ideas, okay? Let me just sleep peacefully. The weather is doing me somehow already.
You're such a naughty man. So, are we still seeing tomorrow?
Yeah, sure. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, I can't wait to see you. Good night.
Babe, don't do anything to yourself. Wait until I come. I want your tank to be full when I come.
Bye.
Now, wow, this kind of love thing.
No, now. Can't go to your in-laws' house empty-handed now. See, that is the first time you are going to their house. You get some things that you're supposed to know now. Eh? Okay, you know what? Relax, make I give you orientation for free.
Wait. Now you want to teach me how to impress you, man.
Baba, we're not talking about sugar mummies. I don't say sugar mummy is your specialty. I'm talking about your mother-in-law.
You're a madman. You're a real madman, I swear. But bro, look, man, seriously, I think I've reached my final bus stop. I don't pack bus, I don't throw away key.
Hey, God. Now you dey talk like this. Now my guy dey talk love like this. Miko the terror.
That was before.
No. See me here thinking I would be the first to get married.
If you like, no go marry now. They think I'm. That's why you go think I'm you enter 50. You never marry.
See, but seriously, I'm very, very happy for you. I'm even more happier that you're doing it with Jacinta. Jacinta is a real woman.
Yeah, man, she is. Very correct girl. The girl is too legit.
Oh, you look well. You made a good choice. I'm proud of you.
Me, I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself, man.
I can't wait.
I hope your auntie likes me.
Yes, of course. I'm sure she will.
Interesting. Tega.
Oh, no, Auntie, this is Emeka, not Tega. My boyfriend. My aunt.
Tega. You're my niece's boyfriend now.
Ma, I am.
Ma? That's a new one. Tega. That's not what you used to call me, Tega, darling. Where are my jewelries? I hope they are intact.
What is she talking about? What's going on here?
What is going on, my love, is that this young man here, his name is Tega. Same Tega I have been telling you about. Same one who tricked me into falling in love with him, stole all my valuables, my expensive jewelries, and disappeared. I ask you again, where are my jewelries?
Yes, ma, they're actually very intact. Everything, I didn't even touch it. It's just the way it was, it was.
I met some women at the society club. You know, you're quite popular. He goes by so many names. Ade, to some he's Ade, to some he's James, to some he's Emmanuel, to some he's Nonso. He tricks all of them, steals all their money, all their jewelries. I don't know. You think by bearing so many names, you become invincible? Or your identity will be protected?
No, I'm stuck.
Oh, come on. Somebody took a picture of him while he was sleeping and posted it on the net. That's how we all got to know he goes by so many identities. Ade? Or is it James? Or is it Nonso? Or is it what?
Tell me this is not true.
I hope you haven't given him anything of value. Because if you have, it's a problem. He's a serial dater. He will make you fall in love with him. He will do everything in his power to lay hands on your valuables. The minute he lays hands on your valuables, he becomes incognito, incommunicado. He becomes a commando, right?
Baby, please, I can explain to you. Honestly speaking, I'm a changed man. Since I met you, everything about me changed. You know that day I was trying to explain something to you now.
Take
on the dining table. It's the same thing I was trying to tell you.
Leave my house.
You say?
Get out.
Baby, let's go and talk outside.
When am I going to get my jewelries?
I'll bring it. Baby, please, let's go and talk.
Get out.
I hope I get them soon.
Everything is intact.
Emeka, where's the deed? Like, I can't continue to keep your secrets away from Jacinta or your address from those women. Provide the deeds. What?
See, I tell you something, eh? If I ever see you anywhere near me again, or Jacinta,
Free me!
You no go like him, you hear me? Hey, how are you? Hey.
Get inside.
Jacinta.
Leave. And don't come back.
Can I just talk to you?
No.
Please.
Daddy, where's Auntie Jacinta?
She'll be back soon, okay?
I'm missing her already.
Miss her too. Go do your assignment, okay?
Okay.
I'm here for my document.
I'm sorry.
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry.
I asked you if there was anything else you're keeping away from me. But you chose to lie. Auntie Lovett, she's my mom's younger sister. The only family I have. Yet you screwed her, and you screwed her up.
But I didn't know.
Does it matter? Huh?
Babe.
You're just a serial dater. Extorting women. For what?
I love you.
Sit out to the beds. Go up there and get my dates.
This is the deeds. And this is for your auntie. Her jewelries are here. There's nothing missing and nothing broken.
Tell Susan we traveled.
Hey, Eddie. Please don't do this to us. I beg you.
I told you I had trust issues. But I don't want to get my heart broken. Didn't I?
But I'm a changed man. I'm not the same person I used to be. I met you. I fell in love with you. At least you know this. I'm not the same person I used to be. Come on, don't do this to us.
Congratulations. One more question. Was I the project Susan was talking about? Wow.
All right. Everything is complete. Intact.
Sis, can I ask you a question?
Shoot.
Did you both, when you were together?
Have sex? Hell yeah. And it was good. Wait, do you expect me to lie? Come on. Well, it was good while it lasted, if that helps.
Bro, honestly, you need to take it easy. You reek badly.
I've lost her, man. Jacinta left me.
Well, I told you this was a bad idea from the start. You fell in love with the project.
Charles, I carry God beg you. Never in your life, ever again, call her a project or use any kind of name on her. I've made mistakes in my life, but falling in love with her was not one. I love that girl. You don't understand?
It's okay, it's fine, it's fine.
So what are we going to do now? How do we get her back? How?
Well, I don't know how to get her back, but certainly you can't get her back as a drunk. You need to put yourself together.
I'm not drunk. I've just been drinking. Of all the people in this world, all of it had to be her auntie.
Wow.
Like, you don't even make any sense at all now.
Bro, that was crazy.
Now when I decided to fall in love, now that idiot can't become auntie.
Well, life could try wine you, but no panic.
I mean, no panic. How would they get the girl back? They say no panic. No panic will bring her come back here.
Bro, just put yourself together. We'll figure out something. Calm down first. Put yourself together. Just take it easy. Take it easy.
Let me put myself together. How would they get the girl back? You say put yourself together. Which one put yourself
We'll figure out something. Just calm down. Calm down first.
I'm coming.
Hello, Miss Jacinta. I'm Barrister Bayo, your late father's lawyer. May his gentle soul rest in peace.
Amen. Please come in.
Hello? Lawyer? Okay. Miss Jacinta, I must apologize for coming late. This is as a result of I traveled to India for medical treatment. It has delayed me from delivering my duties. I'm deeply sorry for that.
Barrister, please, save yourself these apologies. Go straight to the reading. That's why we are here.
Miss Jacinta, the will of your late father and testament is his wishes. I hope you find solace in this. I read now. This is the will from your late father. I, Jackson Okolie, being of sound mind, leave the following to my beloved daughter, Jacinta Akunna Jackson Okolie. The company that bears my name goes to you, my only daughter, Jacinta. The penthouse in Lekki also belongs to you. As for the school and the house in America, those properties were purchased and built by your mother. And by rights, they belong to her. And now, to you. There is something else I must tell you, Jacinta. I'm very sorry. I was recently introduced to a son I didn't know existed. I hate to break your heart, especially since it has just been me and you since your mother passed away. Please know that I never cheated on her. I didn't even know I had a son, and I never got to know him. I ask you, Jacinta, to please get to know him. If he's a good person, take care of him.
I leave him the family house in our hometown. But always remember, I love you now and always. Your beloved father.
No, I will not take this. I can't take this. The properties rightfully belongs to me. Oh. I am the first and only son of this man.
Wait, sit down first.
All these properties are rightfully mine.
Sit down first. Sit down.
I won't take this.
Oh, will you shut up and sit down?
I should shut up and sit down.
Yes, you heard me.
Uncle Dede, Nani Yoleku.
Shut up and sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
It's okay.
Thank you so much, Barrister Bayo. You have 1 week to return all the documents you have taken. You heard my dad. He said I should only take care of you if you are a good boy. Unfortunately, everybody knows that you have not been a good boy.
It can never happen.
Stand up.
This will never happen.
And fly away.
It will never happen.
Shush, shush.
Uncle Dede.
Jacinta, my daughter.
Uncle Dede.
Let's find a solution
Daughter,
to this.
where? From where to where? Since when?
Let's find a solution to this.
Oga Dede, please. I am not your daughter. Oh. And you've shown that to me. So please, you two, up and fly away. I don't want
Uncle
both of
Dede,
you. I don't want both of you in my house. So just leave.
You never know about this thing.
We'll find a way. Listen, sit down.
Are you okay? Is something wrong with you? You
want
to cool what? What do you want to do? Come on, get out of my house, Joe. What is that?
You're pushing me now.
You're pushing me.
I'll have to take my leave now.
Go, please.
Sit down first.
Just go. Go.
Nine.
Uncle Dede, no. It will not end here.
No.
It will not end.
Hello, Treasurer, it's Ade.
I have your location already. If I don't get the deeds of my property back, I will arrest you, idiot.
That's why I'm calling you.
Do you have my deeds?
Yes, I do. I actually came now because I knew that Jacinta would have taken Somuto to school. First of all, I am deeply sorry for what I did to you. It's the old me. And yes, I cannot turn back the hands of time. I honestly wish I could. But my past cannot define who I am today and who I am now. To be very honest with you, Jacinta changed me. Meeting her was a blessing to my life. And I like who I am right now, and I like who I am going to become. But I love her. I love her deeply, and she loves me too. I know she respects you a lot. If you can put in a word for us, I promise you I would never in this life treat her bad. I would protect her and cherish her and love her with everything in me. You might not believe my words because of how you used to know me, but please, give me a chance.
Teka.
Actually, it's Emeka.
If you ever play a fast one on my knees, I will have you beheaded.
I promise. I swear I would never hurt her.
It's okay.
I actually brought this for her. There's a letter inside too. Thank you. I should take my leave now before she gets back. Hold on. Hey. How are you? I'm sorry. Look, I never wanted to be that kind of person to you. I never.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. I never meant to hurt you.
I know.
I'm sorry. Baby.
Yes.
I'm sorry for everything that happened. I'm glad that I met you and you changed me. I've made so many mistakes in my life and you're just the angel that God sent to me to make me a better person. Thank you. And I love you. Jacinta Okoye. Would you do me the honors of being my wife and mother to our kids?
Yes. Yes, I will. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's our turn now.
Okay, now run off. Off you go.
Thank you. So you're my wife to be.
You're my husband to be.